Welcome, you're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic is that study through mobile phone is better or study through book is better. So, which medium of study is better? So, this team will speak in the favor of mobile, that study through mobile phone is better, and this team will speak in the favor of book, that study through is book better. So,
Well, good morning to everyone. Today debate is being done at Ideal on an outstanding topic, the topic which is in the regard of study. That through which source should a student study? Through mobile or through book? Well, really or personally, what do I believe? I believe that students should study through books because first of all, let me clear about the mobile. That what is actual mobile? Mobile is a technical device which is made for multiple things, not for just one purpose. It is made for so many reasons, like for studying also, for entertaining also, for doing business also, and for transporting the things, for sending the things it is made. But if I tell you about the books, books are those things which are made just for one purpose, which is called study. So well, really I believe that if a student studies through book, so what will happen? The distractions, the problems which a student faces through mobile, he can't face through books. If a student is not studious, so in compulsion he will have to study through book. But if a student is not studious and he has mobile, he is given mobile to study, so what will happen? The distractions will be created, and a student who is already studious, he wants to study, he won't be able to study because mobile is that kind of thing. Mobile is designed like this, which attracts to the mind of the people, and it is human tendency that whenever people get those things in which they lost their things, so they go in that side. So really I believe that students, they should not use mobile for studying. That's all.
Okay. So good morning everyone. My name is Afsha and today we are doing debate here. So the topic of the debate is about learning from books and learning from mobile phone. Which one is better? So I think that learning from mobile phone, that is far better than learning from books. So I would like to start with an example. If you, on the first hand, if you have cycle, okay, and on the other hand, if you have or a Jaguar and many more options if you have, okay, so what would you choose? Cycle and these kind of cars.
Postcards I will choose.
So if you have technology, so why are you not using technology? Why are you using books? Here I want to tell you that if you have this much amazing way for studying, so why are you going on very hardest way? Why are you going?
Okay, listen, let me clear. She is mentioning about technology. Like there is technology, so we should use technology. I know that, sister, you will say about it. I know that technology is beneficial for the people. But let me clear one thing. Everything is technical in this world nowadays. Most of the things are technical. So we should see that is, can this technology give us benefit or not. It's not like that if this thing is technical thing, so we should use, like there is hookah, web, and these kind of things, these are called technical things, so should we use those? Of course not, sister. We should think that can this technical thing can us advantage? Of course not.
Yeah, so mobile
So
phone
listen,
is,
let me clear.
okay, now let me speak. Okay, so mobile phone is also giving us a lot of advantages. Why are you going in the negative side? Okay, if I talk about first of all my data, so according to a report by the Internet and Mobile Phone Association of India, that in urban areas approximately 71% students are using mobile phone for study, and in rural areas 49.3% students are using mobile phone for study. Even if they are getting education, so what's wrong in that? Okay, and you know that through mobile phone, wait, you can study only like Hindi and English by yourself, okay, like books. If you want to learn like math, science, chemistry, and many more options, so you will have to study through mobile phone. Okay, you can't study yourself because these are very hard subject. Okay, so you can't say that for studying like maths and there are many subjects, how will you study yourself? Okay, like you are studying Hindi, so you can read yourself. Okay, and even like if you are studying Hindi and English, so time will be consumed. Okay, a lot of time will consume.
Listen, let me clear one thing. I think she is in confusion. She is in confusion.
No,
She's
I'm
saying
not.
that you cannot study by yourself if you have book. Listen, it's not like that.
I'm
If
not saying-
listen,
brother,
let me
please
clear.
let
Listen,
me
let me
speak.
clear. If a student is studying through book, so it's not like that he will study alone. It means he is taking coachings, he is taking classes. So it is also called the books, means offline.
brother, why
So
are you
listen,
not
let me clear.
understanding?
If why can't we study chemistry and the math means through books? So you will go to the coachings and your teacher will explain. And after coming home, you will read that concept and that will be cleared.
Okay, and what about
Why
those
okay? So you
students
will
who
have to
don't go
agree.
to coaching?
What?
What about those students who don't go to coaching
Who don't go to coaching? So they study by themselves.
by themselves? Means are we looking this much intelligent that we can study like maths, biology, science ourselves?
So
How?
they go to school. They go to school.
In the school, you know that what is the condition of the government school. In spite of this thing, he is answering like this.
Sister student who is studious, he can study. Like I have experienced when I was studious, so I used to focus in school
brother,
also.
So brother, I have also experienced. Like you're saying that when I was in the school, I used to study because you also come in the tuition. That's why you study yourself. And you know that. And you know that you were mentioning about the distraction. Like if there is a student and who is studious, he will be not able to study through mobile phone. Why? What is the reason behind it? What is the logic behind it? Okay, why will not be study through mobile phone? Like there are many students, studious students who are studying through mobile phone. Why will they not study through mobile phone? Even I have told you data, but however he is telling that because of distraction. It's up to you. It's up to you that what is this? Like if we are studying through mobile phone, so distraction is here. That's why we should not use mobile phone. Brother, control on yourself. You have everything in your hand.
Listen, this data means of which country or of which area is this data? Of course, of India.
Yeah.
So we are not talking about just particular country.
But I'm
We are
talking
talking. Listen,
about-
listen. Let me clear. It's my turn. We are talking about all over the world. So you should put data about the world that this much. So how can I believe? It's not like that. If anything is happening in India, wrong or right, so it will be decided that it is right and it should be implemented in all over the world. Of course
So
not,
you
sister.
tell me that if I am living in India, so why will I talk about whole world? Definitely I will talk about my India.
Topic is topic. Sir didn't say that you should talk about the India.
Sir, I have to give answer to Suhana. I have to give answer to Suhana. Yes, sir. Like she was like yeah. Suhana was mentioning about that if we study through books, so we can become active. How can we become active? Can you tell me? You know that like active. So we need not to wake up early in the morning. Okay, we need not to do exercise. Only just read the book and you can become active. What is this?
I also read books and I am active.
Okay.